So you want to make a full AI cartoon completely for free? Let's break it down. Let's be real. A lot of AI cartoons out there are just kind of boring. They feel flat. But there's a complete workflow to make something amazing. And yeah, it's totally free. Here's the game plan. We're going from idea to storyboard, adding sound, animating, and finally editing. Okay, first step, taking that spark of an idea and turning it into a full-on storyboard. This one tool does it all. It writes the story, creates scenes, and generates all your images. And the best part? You can export your project, so no more panic if your browser crashes. All right, visuals are done. Time to make our characters actually talk and bring in some sound. Why 11 Labs? Simple. It has a massive range of voices. Kids, elderly, you name it. You just find a voice, generate the speech, and you can even create custom sound effects. Now for the really cool part, bringing our still images to life through animation. The animation platform we're using gives every new account 300 free credits to start. It's super simple. You upload your image, tell the AI how to move it, and generate a clip. Okay, but what about lip syncing? How do you make just one character talk in a group? There's a clever trick. You mask the other faces, run the lip sync, then layer it back. We have all the parts. Now it's time to assemble everything into the final film. We'll use a free editor like CapCut to arrange clips, add music, subtitles, and final polish. So to recap, a custom tool for story, 11 Labs for voice, Hyper for animation, and CapCut for editing. So now you've got the entire free toolkit. The only question is, what story will you create?